Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Audi A7. So first of all, we go into your settings. Well, I'll just take you through. We need Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the system. If I click on telephone, you'll see that there's nothing connected, so it's coming up search for new telephone or search for a new mobile phone. So select that. It's already found Audi MMI 6210 there. Please check the Bluetooth is on, continue. So it's looking for my phone. My phone has found it, so it shouldn't take very long. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on like so. Hands-free, yes. Connection's being established, just wait. Bluetooth pairing request 621770, pair, and yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Well, that's how you pair a mobile.